Hi, this is Coach Hodges, your CTHEI teacher. I just wanted to reintroduce myself and let you know some expectations. The big thing for me is just communication. So if you're going to be out or you're missing class for any reason, just let me know, and I can make sure that I get you what you missed in any assignments. I'm also posting all assignments into Canvas as well as whatever we're doing in class. That way, if you do miss, you can go right there and you don't have to wait until you get in class to see what you missed. As far as important things that are coming up this year, at the end of October, we're going to take a field trip over to the Career and Tech Center. It's the Career High School. So just to give you an idea of what options are there for you, what classes you can take your junior and senior year of high school, and just drum up some interest on that. And then last of all, if you ever need to get a hold of me, the best way is through email. And my email address is jhodges2, the number 2, at AISD.net. jhodges2 at AISD.net. And my phone number is 682-867-3442 if you need to get a hold of me. So again, I look forward to speaking with you. I look forward to having your child in my classroom. And please let me know if there's anything you ever need from me. Thank you.